Looking to expand your roofing business? Then watch this video. Hey, this is Rick from New Tech Machinery. Today we're going over 3 ways to expand your metal roofing business. Let's dive into it. As a business owner, you're always looking for strategies to grow your business. At New Tech Machinery, we've been helping contractors and manufacturers build their businesses with portable roll formers for over 30 years. Expanding your business could be as simple as adding a new profile or additional roll former. Let's first look at adding a soffit, underdeck, and flush wall panel profile. By producing soffit panels, you can offer your customers a more complete roofing system. If you're installing the metal roof system, then it's an all-in-one service. If it's a chop and drop, it'll make it easier for the contractor not to have to buy from another supplier. Either way, it's a win. Soffit panels improve energy efficiency, provide ventilation, and enhance the roof's overall appearance. Soffits cover the underside of a roof's overhang, including arches, balconies, and eaves. With the same profile, you can also produce flush panels for siding. A flush panel is designed to provide a smooth, flat appearance for siding and for architectural details like around doors and windows. NTM offers the unique FWQ 100 and FWQ 150 panel profiles, which can be used for wall panels, soffit panels, and underdecking. The second option is to expand further into metal siding. We've already mentioned flush wall panels, but board and batten and wave panel profiles are growing in popularity. We released the board and batten profile BB750 in 2023. It has been used in both commercial and residential projects, from farms to barn dominiums to contemporary homes in urban centers. This profile can be added to your existing SSQ machine dating back to 2014. As for wave profiles, these are mainly used for commercial projects, but we've been seeing them show up in residential projects recently, like this project in a Denver suburb. NTM's wave machine produces 3 panel profiles. It's a heavy-duty industrial strength machine that can expand your business into the large-scale commercial market. The third option is to diversify into providing seamless gutters. Offering gutters is another way of completing the roofing package. Many times, new metal roofs require new gutter systems. Rather than hiring an additional contractor to do the job once the roof is finished, you can easily run seamless gutters custom fitted to the structure with a portable seamless gutter machine. NTM's Mach 2 gutter machines come in 5-inch, 6-inch, and 5/6-inch combo roll formers. These K-style machines allow for on-site customization, reducing waste and improving turnaround times. The demand for quality gutter systems is constant. Unfortunately, poorly installed and flimsy sectional gutters are common problems, and a competent hand with a portable gutter machine can accomplish a lot in this market. A portable gutter machine can strengthen your competitive edge by providing customized, high-quality seamless gutters. That's it. 3 ways to expand your metal roofing business. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions or suggestions. Make sure to check out our in-depth article to learn more about expanding your business, linked here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.